Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's start our next lesson, but I will try to Adobe Flash and we will create animation that the action script 2, yeah. Before we create our image, yeah, on size 800 pixel and 600 pixel. Yeah, let's try use frame rate 12 frame per second. Yeah, okay, we use control min, yeah. We can reduce the states, yeah, reduce the view of states, yeah. Choose the frame number 1 and then file, import to states and choose the okay both, yeah. So, okay, on folder I have 23 image, and each image have moving booth that we create on Photoshop. Yeah, let's try. I choose the number 1. Okay. Oh, sorry. Wait. Import. Import to number 1. Okay, replace. Sorry. Oh, sorry. We must change to PNG first. Yeah, if we want to Photoshop, Flash quick once image, we must change this format to PNG. Okay, yeah, okay. Wait a minute. Okay guys, let's try, but I use the name of file to give it a number 1 by 1. Yeah, okay, let's try. We try again. Wait, 800 and 600. Okay, control min. Sorry, control min. Okay. File, import to state. Yeah, import to state. And now I have 23 files that number 1, 2, 3, 4, and until 23 file. I choose the file number 1 and open. Yeah, that's right. The flash now we have scan of image, yeah, part by part. Yeah, do you want to import if we push this button yes, we have to maybe 23 image. Look at this. So okay, 1 2 3 4 23. Yeah, okay, let's try. If we want to zoom in, try, push enter. Yeah, we can see. Okay, we can see the boot moving from right to left. Yeah, okay, let's try. Yeah, we can, but maybe we must modify the boot. Yeah, we must modify the boot. Okay, we got the concept. Okay, let's try. Oh, sorry. Okay, remove frames. Okay, I remove this. Okay, but now I have I have back some back for this image. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay, back. Yeah. Okay, where is it? Okay, I just wait maybe at and wait. Okay, that's it. Yeah, but I create new layer. On this layer I import to states, yeah, that I have boot like this. Yeah, boot like this. I think it's big. Maybe we can resize. Oh, I see. Yeah, maybe we can modify and free transform. We can create. Okay, that's it. Yeah, progress. Yeah, but maybe okay. I think like this. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe just like this. Oh, sorry. That's maximum. Yeah. Okay. I have image like this. I start from here. Yeah, start from here. Maybe I create frame on 30 frame. Insert keyframe. Yeah, here to insert keyframe. This layer for boot. Yeah. The boot from left and 30. Okay, view. So guides, ruler. Okay, I choose to get. Okay, yeah, I will move this boot like this. Yeah. Okay, on 13 frame number 13, boot the position on left from 1 and 29 from right. If we want to create here, create motion twin. Oh, sorry, the boot will be disappear and move to right. Okay, then we'll try to create. Enter. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's the concept. Thank you for watching. You can follow my step. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like and share guys. Turn on notification.